Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am going to share with you how much I made ever since I started selling on Etsy, and we are going to get straight into the video because I hate videos where people just ramble so much and they just never get to the point. It's really annoying. So right now we are in the Etsy homepage and I'm just going to head over to my shop dashboard. So right off the bat, this is how much I made all time ever since I started selling on Etsy. Okay, so we're gonna head over to the stats and click on all time so you guys can actually see it better. So yes, this is my stats right here. So a little backstory about my Etsy shop so you guys can understand why I made this amount. So I started selling on Etsy in November of 2020 and it is currently July 2021. And my Etsy shop, let's head over to my Etsy shop actually. Okay guys, so this is my shop right here, my Etsy shop. And what I do is create branding templates. Right now I currently have YouTube templates, but I'm also going to broaden this and create branding templates, like all type of branding templates, not just YouTube templates, because you kind of want to expand things a little bit. You know, you don't want to narrow yourself too much. I mean, that's good in some cases, but not in all cases. I don't have a lot of listings available, so that's one of the main reasons why I didn't make a lot of money. It's because I didn't really put that much effort into it. But I can definitely see that Etsy is really lucrative. You know, if you put your energy into it, you will make money. You will make money. And the great thing about this is that I'm actually making passive income. As you can see, I didn't put a lot of energy into like creating a lot of listings, but they are still paying me every month, which is amazing. Yeah, so we're gonna go back to the analytics, and we're going to talk a little bit about this, and then we're going to talk a little bit about the Etsy shop. So yeah, the all time, like I said, I started selling on November of 2020 and right now it is July 2021. And if we go down overall, shoppers has viewed my listings 5,796 times in the search results. So this means that like when you go to the Etsy, you know, homepage and you search for, let's say, YouTube templates or whatever, okay, YouTube templates, and let's say, you know, you're just looking through some YouTube templates and this is mine, so you see this is considered a view. You know, this, you haven't clicked on it yet, but you viewed it. So that means shoppers has viewed my listings 5,796 times, but they haven't clicked on it yet. So visits is the people that actually viewed this template clicked on it, so that is considered a visit. So from 5,796 views, 3,297 people clicked on my listings and actually visited my Etsy shop. So that means about 58% of the people that view my listings on the Etsy search results actually clicks on it, and then from that 2.9 to 3% actually buys my listings. So that's why I have 97 orders, which is actually not accurate. Right now I currently have 103 orders. And that's amazing because that basically shows that I am doing something right when it comes to my thumbnail. Like, my thumbnail is really pushing people to click on that listing. It's really, you know, inclining them to click on that listing. Also, conversion rate is amazing. I wouldn't say really amazing, but it's average, considered good according to Etsy standards. Like, in general, decent conversion rates should be at least 2 to 3%, which is average. If you have 4% conversion rate, that means you're doing amazing. So So mine is around like 2 to 3%, which I think is actually really good. And overall I made $979, which is also not that accurate. I made about like $1,000 something. So yeah. So going down to how shoppers are finding me, this is also another great thing. As you can see, Etsy brought in 88% of my visits. That's because I haven't really done any type of like marketing or did any type of advertisement. Even if I did advertisement, maybe I did it like once, but I only spent like $5. So I don't really consider that doing advertisement. So yeah, overall, Etsy brought in 88% of my visits, which means these visits are literally organic traffic. People are finding me from doing searches. Like, I'm like #1 for this keyword, as you guys can see. One of the main reasons I started this YouTube channel is to basically document my journey when it comes to Etsy, and also, you know, help other people out there who want to start an Etsy business, just from like my lessons, my experiences, and you know what I'm learning so far. And I want to go really hard on my Etsy store, and I want to open up other Etsy stores in the future as well. So yeah, that's one of the main reasons why I started this section of my YouTube channel, because I do want to talk about other topics outside of selling on Etsy. I want to talk about other ways to make money and save money, etc, etc. Okay, so let's go down and look at my listings. I currently have 9 active listings right now, and my best seller is this one right here. I got 1,382 views, and from that I got 52 orders and a revenue of $452, which I think is amazing, honestly, because it didn't even take me that long to create this template, y'all, like literally. And right now I have over 20 people have it in their cart, and we're just gonna take a look at it. So as you can see, this is the thumbnail, and I think that's one of the main reasons why people is so inclined to click on this listing, and that's why it's a bestseller, because the thumbnail right off the bat is just really beautiful. It's just simple. It's just amazing. You know, people love simplicity. And then I also have video. So videos is something new in the Etsy, something new that Etsy's testing out, but they have noticed that a lot of people is more inclined to buying your product if you have a video included in the listing. So yeah. And then I also have here like what's included. You know, the listing is not vague. It literally tells you what is included. You know, 1 intro, 1 outro, and also a banner. And it tells you that you can customize it on Canva, you know, to your liking, from this to this to this, which whatever you want to do. And then my second bestseller is this one right here. I got 739 views and 62 favorites, 19 orders, and I made a total of $225. Okay, so let's see how much I made in the last 30 days. Okay, so in the last 30 days, I made $198.30, and I got 603 visits and 17 orders, and a conversion rate of 2.8%. So one thing I can definitely say about my shop is that people, when they actually come to my shop, they actually buy. You know, they actually buy. So I just have to put more effort into promoting my shop to get more visits to my shop, and also add more things to my shop. Yeah, like that's the goal. Okay, that's the goal. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I think I have said everything that I wanted to say. If you guys enjoyed and you want to see more Etsy videos and you want to follow me on this journey, please hit that like button and also subscribe, and also comment below if you have any like questions or any thoughts or whatever. Just comment below. I would really love to hear what you guys have to say. And thank you for watching if you made it this far, and I'll see you guys next time.